Good morning, children. We are now starting with the next topic, that is nouns, singular and plural. A singular noun names one person, place, animal or thing, and a plural noun names more than one person, place, animal or thing. If I say, please give me your book. Now here the noun book stands for only one thing. So we say that book is in the singular number. Singular suggests one. But if I say, please give me your books, then here the noun books stands for more than one thing. So we say that books is in the plural number. And plural suggests more than one. Now let's learn about the formation of plurals. Now there are some rules that you have to remember when it comes to turning a singular noun into a plural nouns. So let's learn about these rules. First is by adding s to the singular. In most cases we form the plural by adding s to the singular. Like window, if we add s to it, it will become windows, thereby becoming a plural. Similarly, cat. We again have added s to it, so it has become plural now, cats. Second rule is nouns ending in a hissing sound add es. So es is added to the nouns that are ending in a hissing sound or with letters like s, double s, sh, ch or x. Now let's have a look at some examples. Bus. The word bus ends with the letter S. So, to make it plural, we have added ES to it. Glass. Now, the noun glass is ending with double S. So, again, to make its plural, we will add ES to it. Third is dish. Dish is ending with SH. Again, what will be added to make it a plural? ES is added. So, it will become dishes. Bench. Benches. Bench is ending with ch. So again, in the plural we have added es to it. Next is box. And the plural of box is boxes. But note one thing, that the plural of ox is not oxes, it is oxen. Third rule is nouns ending in o add es. So, some nouns that end in o form their plural by adding es to the singular. Let's have a look at some examples. The noun tomato ends in o. So, what do we add to make it into plural? We add es. So, the plural of tomato is tomatoes. Then, in the same way, mango also ends in o. So, again, we have added es to mango to make it plural. So, the plural of mango is mangoes. But here again, we have to remember one thing, that the plural of photo is photos. We only add s to it. And similarly, the plural of piano is pianos. Next rule is for the nouns ending in f or fe. So, the nouns that end in f or fe generally form their plural by changing the f or the fe to ves. Let's see how. Now the noun is thief and it is ending with the letter f. So to make its plural, we have changed the f to ves, as you can see. So the plural is thieves. What's the spelling of thieves? thieves. Another example is leaf. Here again, F will be removed, and instead of F, we will write VES to make it plural. So leaf and plural is leaves. Now the word is wife. So the noun wife also ends with FE. So to make its plural, instead of FE, we will write VES, and the plural will be wives. Knife. Knife again ends in FE. So you can notice that to make its plural, we have removed FE, and instead of it, we have added VES. So the plural of knife is knives. But there are some nouns ending in F which are converted in plural by adding S to them, like chief. The plural is chiefs. Dwarf, dwarfs. Roof, roofs. Hoof, hoofs. Proof, proofs. Handkerchief, handkerchiefs. Though for dwarf, VES is also acceptable. So you can either write plural as dwarfs or dwarves. Both are acceptable. So remember the singular and plural forms of these nouns. Next rule is for the nouns ending in consonant plus Y. So if a noun ends with Y and Y comes just after a consonant, then the plural is formed by simply changing Y to IES. Let's look at the example. So the word is story, and story is ending with Y. And you can see that Y comes just after the consonant R. So here we will change Y with IES. So the plural of story is stories. So instead of Y, we have added IES to the plural. We have changed the Y to IES. Same goes for the noun baby. Here again, we have changed Y to IES, and the plural of baby is babies. Next rule is for nouns ending in a vowel plus Y. So, if a noun ends with Y and Y comes just after a vowel, then the plural is formed by simply adding S to the singular. Now look at the examples. The noun is tray. So it is ending with Y, and Y comes just after the vowel A. So as per the rule, what will we do here? We will make it into plural by adding S to it. Next example is monkey. The noun monkey is ending with Y, and Y comes just after the vowel E. So here again, as per the rule, we will add S to it to make it into plural. So the plural of monkey is monkeys. So we have done 6 rules of changing singular nouns into plurals. Now open page number 19 of your grammar books. The rules to form plural nouns is given on this page, so read it very well along with the examples. Now you also have to copy the definitions of singular number and plural number from this page only in your language notebook. So I have put a tick against these definitions. Copy them in your language notebook. That is all for today. Thank you.